Hi, this is Dan from 1066 IT Support. Today I'm going to show you Excel's concatenate function. So we have a simple spreadsheet. In column G, I'm going to be concatenating columns C, D and E. In field G3, I type in equals concatenate, open bracket, then click on field C3, comma, click on field D3, comma, click on field E3, and then close bracket. And when I run this function, it concatenates all three fields. Now, if I want to concatenate all three columns, but keep spaces between the values, I need to do the following. I type in equals, concatenate. I then select the three columns I want to concatenate. I then modify the function so that in between each column I intend to concatenate, I add a pair of speech marks with a space in between, as shown. When I run this function, you'll now see all three columns have been concatenated, but you'll see a space between each value. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.